Sorry, not grammar, chapter 5, module 1, unit 1. As you see now on the board, we are going to learn some words that start with over and under. This class is for secondary stage, okay, grade 2. This is the class of G11A. Okay, so some words that come with over and under. Here we have underestimate, understaffed, underpaid, underfunded, overrated, overqualified. Please, all the class, open your box to page 11, student box. Number 1, exercise number 1. Don't space your potential. You're often capable of achieving more than you think. Who can answer number 1? Number 1, safe.
Underestimate.
What?
Underestimate.
Yes, underestimated. So all of you, please write this word. Underestimate. This is the question number 1. This is the answer for number 1. And now number 2. Please read number 2. Read number 2, please. What's your name?
Yusuf.
Yeah, Yusuf. Come on.
The global crisis in job markets today has resulted in many
Individuals
doing jobs that don't make full use of their skills.
Okay, which one? Imagine Yusuf. The global crisis in the job markets today has resulted in many what? Individuals doing jobs that don't make full use of their skills. Yes.
Underqualified.
Under or over? Overqualified. Okay? Overqualified. Good man. So number 2 will be overqualified. Yes, excellent. Number 3. I want another one. Saleh, read number 3, please.
The fact that schools are
terribly.
States has resulted in teachers having to work overtime to make up for it.
Yes, Saleh here, he's speaking about the schools having a lot of students. So, what is it? Which one? Is it understaffed, underfunded, overrated? Which one you think, Saleh? Take your time, no problem.
Overrated.
Take your time. Another answer, please. Who knows? Yes, safe.
Underestimate.
Under? Yes, good, safe. Yes, understaffed. This is number 3. Okay, understaffed. Write the answer, please. Understaffed. Having a lot of students. This is number 3. Now, number 4. Read number 4, please. Who has a book here? Yes, safe. Read number 4. Number 4.
Although many people believe that teachers are well
compensated
for the work they do, they are in fact
the teachers compensated to do the work. The what? Is it underpaid or overqualified? Which one of those? Look at the meaning. Although many people believe that teachers are well compensated to do something, okay, for the work they do, they are in fact what? Underpaid. Yes. Okay, underpaid. This is number 4. Write number 4, please. Now number 5. Omar, Yusuf, Omar, Khalid. Yes, come on, Khalid. Number 5, please. Read number 5. I think
that film is space. I didn't really think it was that good. I think that film is underrated. Overrated.
He thought that the film took a high rate, so it's overrated. Yes, good. Number 5, it will be overrated. Yes, overrated. Yes, good man. Overrated. Now, the last one, number 6. Number 6, another student, please. Maybe our friend Yusuf. Come on, Yusuf.
The poor condition of state schools is
attributed. Yes.
To the fact that they are.
Yes. Under. Which one? Look here. Is it underfunded or underestimated or underestimated?
Underfunded.
Underfunded, yes, good answer. Now please all of the class go directly to the page 15, please. Open the same book, page 15. As you see now on the board, words have different meanings. Page 15, okay? Words have different meanings. Here we have run, mind, end, side, and port. Number one, on the left, okay, at the top. Here, think of the word only that can be used appropriately in all the three sentences. One of the three sentences in each group has been taken from the listing activity. Number one, after being vaccinated. Do you know the vaccination? Vaccination. Now, listen to me. You know Corona? Okay, now there is a new vaccination for Corona. You can take the vaccination. After some time, you will feel a fever and some kind of illness. After that, you will be fine. So this is vaccination, yes? Yes, good. تطعيم. So here the verb is, after being vaccinated, you might face a slight fever. You might face a slight fever. Is it run, side, part, mind, and which one can you take? Here. You might a slight fever. Develop. We want the meaning of develop. Which one? Is it run, side, part, mind, and think? I want the verb that has the same meaning of develop. Manage.
Run.
Yes! Got it. Yes, that's it. Very good answer. Yes. Right, run. Now, the three sentences, listen to me. The three sentences take run. Right, run. And number two and number three. The three ones. Look here, we have here, number one, 3 spaces. Can you see the 3 spaces?
No.
3 spaces here. Run, run, run. Okay? Right in the 3 spaces. Run, run, run. The 3 spaces. Okay. What about the second meaning? I should be back in an hour or so. I just have a few errands to what? To run. Okay? Now, the third one. How do you manage to study for a degree and run your own business? Here, run your own business means to manage. Manage what? Manage your own business. So please go down with your eyes here in this exercise. Here. Look here. Page, the same page. Down. Exercise B. Now match the words, the phrases, okay, with the meanings below. Let's start with Khalid. Yeah, Khalid. Number one here we have. Look here. We have manage. We have letter B, have higher body temperature than normal, and letter C, to go out and do or buy. Now we are going to match. Match what? Match between A, B, C, and here number one, we have 3 sentences. 1, 2, 3, okay? Here we have 3 sentences. This is number 1, 2, 3. We want to match between A, B, C, and these sentences, okay? According to the meaning of the verb. طبقا لمعنى الverb يا شباب. According to the meaning of the verb, we are going to match between the definitions here or the words and the word run here. Number 1, after being vaccinated, you might run a slight fever. Which one? Is it E, B, or C? Yes, good. Yes, letter B. Have a higher body temperature than normal. Now let's go to Saleh. Come on, Saleh. Here also we have 3 sentences that you see. Run, run, run. Now number 2, I should be back in an hour. Also, I just have a few errands to run. Is it A, B, or C? We took B here first, okay? Is it C or A? From these. Is it manage or to go out and do or buy? Think?
I don't understand.
Here, number 2, I should be back in an hour, okay? Also, okay? I just have a few errands to what? To what? To manage, okay? Or to go out and do or buy. Yes, that's it. To go out, do or buy. Yes, letter C, please. The next one. And now the third one, it will be letter B, okay? Now, let's go to the next, number 2. Say, please, read number 2, this sentence from here, I think.
I think at of the day it was going to university.
Yeah. Yes. To what? End. Excellent. Both the 3 words end. Here, end. Okay? Also here, end, the three words, the three answers, it will be end. What is the meaning of end here? Number one, for example, I think at the end of the day, it was worth going to university. Yeah, what? Number two here, number two match, is it B, is it A, without stopping? B, it's not a serious problem, or C, taking everything important into consideration. Which one? Is it without stopping, it's not a serious problem, or taking everything important into consideration? I think at the end of the day, it was worth going to university. Is it A or B or C? Yes, sir. What? B? B says it's not a serious problem. مش مشكلة خطيرة يعني. No. C. Taking everything important into consideration. I think it's what? It's A. Having a without stopping. Without what? Stopping. Yes. Number two. Ali. Oh, Saleh, please. Saleh. Read the number two. Don't be upset.
Be upset. It's not the end of the world. You can use buy a new camera.
Which one, Saleh? Is it B or C?
It's the C.
Yes, yes. It will be. It will be. It will be B. Sorry. It will be B. It's not a serious problem. It's not a serious problem. So it will be B. Okay. Yes. Good. The last one. Dan would sit in his room listening to the same song for hours or on end. On end here means what?
Not stopping.
Yes, on end. No. Look here. Dan would sit in his room listening to the same song for hours on end without stopping. Yes, it's A now. It's A. And later, and number one will be C. Number one will be يا شباب C, sorry, number one will be, yes, good, yes, good, mashallah. Okay, it's perplexing, confusing. It's a bit long, okay? Now, number three, we have, I really don't space. Don't what? Is it side, heart, or mind? Take your mind. I really don't what? Mind. Yes, mind. Write three mind. Three words mind here, okay? Right? Three mind, okay? Now, number one, I really don't mind where we go for lunch as just as it's too far. Number two, or the next one, the experience service or served to broaden my mind. What the meaning of to broaden my mind? To make me think better. To make me think better. And the next one, mind your tongue. Mind your tongue, young lady, and don't let me hear you using language like that again. Now let's go back here at the bottom. Number one, or letter A, awareness of things, and letter B, care, and letter C, watch. Come on, Khalid. Yes. Number one.
I really don't mind.
Yes, which one?
Care.
Excellent. Care. Right B. Okay, Yusuf, number two. Read it, please. The experience.
Experience served to broaden my mind and challenge me.
What's the meaning of mind here? Is it awareness of things or watch?
Awareness.
Yes, awareness of things. It's A. The last one directly will be what the shabab care. Yeah, which as well will watch. Like watch your language. When he say watch your language, we're speaking to me. زي ايه؟ خد بالك من كلامك لما تتكلم معايا, okay? Watch your language and so on. Now let's go to number four. These genes are a bit on the small. Which one here, Shab? Is it the small side or part? Yes, side. So write three words side, okay? Here, these genes are a bit on the small side. Do you have them in a bigger size? Now, Saleh, give me the meaning of side here. Is it unwanted results of taking medication, or in addition to one's main job, or not big enough?
Sir.
He's speaking about the genes.
Oh yeah, it's well close a B.
Oh my God, how come? We're now at number 4 here. Number 4, where is number 4 here? Is it unwanted result of taking medication, or in addition to one's main job, or not good enough? Not big enough, huh?
C.
Yes, it's C, not big enough. Now, the next the next one, yes, here. Come on with me because you don't have a book. Here, one of the side effects of these pills is drowsiness, okay? Side here, is it in addition to one's main jobs, or not big enough, or unwanted result of taking medication? Look at the word. One of the side effects of these pills is drowsiness. Is it A or B? Yes, is it A? Yes, it's A. Good enough. Now the next, okay, the last one. Let's go to our friend because he doesn't have a book. Here, the last one. Here, I was able to make some extra money on that side. Which one? Is it A, B, or C? Your friends chose C and A.
B.
Yes, read it please in a loud voice. In addition
to one
main job. Okay, thank you. Now the last exercise on the same page, number 5. Being part. Yes, all 3 part, please. 3 part. Here, if you want to be a successful businessman, you have to dress. Now number 1. Number 1. Being part of a music group. Khalid, number 1. Can offer young people support when they are having a difficult time. Here we have some, not all, letter B, wear clothes that are suitable for a particular situation. Yes, letter C, something that combines with others to form that. Yes, yes, it's C. And also here, Amy is part Korean. Her father is from Seoul. Her father is from Seoul, okay? Part Korean. Is it some, not all, or wear clothes that are suitable for a particular situation? Which one? Some, yes, excellent, safe. This is safe. Some, yes, some, not all. Thank you, safe. And the last one will be B, okay? That's all for now. Now I explained the traveler. Thank you. Let's go to the next video to explain the O-level New Hello Unit 3.